Stay like a crab. Good, good. Well done. High five. Good. Now you're gonna go to the blue and you do the same thing. Use your outside foot. Yeah? Good. Oh, stay like a crab. Stay like a crab. Yeah? Stay like a crab. Good. Yeah, go. Keep on going. Good. Almost in the circle. Good. Okay. And good. Now you're gonna go to the Spider-Man head. Good. And slowly, you bring it in the goal. Good. Well done. Good. Kick it in the goal. Wow, that was a big kick. High jump, high jump. Ready? 2, 1, stop. Good job, good job. 1, keep on going. Swing your arms. Good, good. Keep on going. Okay. Good. Up, there. It's okay. Good, good. Can you do one more, do you think? Yeah, one more. Let's go. One more. 6 times. You're going to go here. Good. Keep going. We need to go to there, yeah? So we go there. Let's go. Yeah. One more. Good. Wow. Good job. High five. Good job, bro. Well done. Sideways, sideways. Good. Good. Like a crab. Touch the ball. 1, 2, 3. Good. Good. And kick. Good job. Well done. High five. Good job. Good.
Chicken teriyaki, ang the best yung grilled. Soy sauce, brown sugar, dapat medyo matamis-tamis yan. Mirin, pinaka-importante, ginger, at garlic. Haluin muna natin. Dahil i-grill natin siya, dapat lahat ng sugars ma-dissolve. At saka kaya grilled din yung the best chicken teriyaki kasi masarap talaga ng smoky flavor. Ginagawa niyong marinade, bawasan nyo ng konti para sa chicken. Search nyo yung chicken dyan. Yan. Sa ginger garlic naman, importante, sobrang liliit ng hiwa niya para mas lumabas yung lasa niya ng mabilis. The more na mas hinihiwa ng maliit yung mga yan, the more na tumatapang yung mga yan. Kung minamarinate natin yung chicken, lagyan na rin natin ng green part ng leeks. Yan. Lagyan mo na yan dyan. Sama mo na yan dyan. Marinate mo na 30 minutes, pwede na yan. Pag mainit na yung inyong ihawan, lapag nyo na. Dapat mag-aano to You know? Ngayon, pag tapos na kayong ihawin yung chicken teriyaki nyo, ang gagawin natin, i-reduce natin yung sauce para mas lumapot siya. Mag-isa muna tayo ng garlic, yung white part ng ating leeks. Gawin nyo to sa mahinang-mahinang apoy lang. Ha? Huwag nyo minamadali yung mga bagay-bagay. Alis ka ba? Hindi naman pala Tandaan lang, relax. Tapos yung ginawa nyong sauce, ilagay nyo na. Yan, sa pag-reduce ng sauce, medyo matagal-tagal yan. It takes time, pero trust the process. Itong sauce natin, sobrang lumapot na. So, ito na yung ating grilled chicken teriyaki. Tapos, lalagyan na lang natin siya ng sauce. Toasted black sesame seeds dahil wala akong sesame seeds. Natin. The best chicken teriyaki talaga.
Ito na po si Kebs na galing ng CR. Yay! Success! Sumakses na po siya, guys. Guys, we're finally here in Osaka, Japan. Again, for the second time around. Sarap! Giniginaw na. Ang ginaw. Stockings. Ang lamig. May asawa kong Disney.
Best nilang aking pupuntahan.
Mag-thank you muna tayo kay Papa kasi libre daw yung pamasahe. Woo! Thank you, Pa!
Ismahan pa palo. Sige.
For the second birthday. Thank you, Pa. Thank you.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Pa. Bibila kita maraming bini.
Ako naman ang kakain.
Ito mo, may ginamit.
Thank you. Meron mo yung spot?
Baby.
Mama.
Thank you. My favorite. Hi guys. So, anong oras na? It's 7:44 p.m. and nag-decide ang family na lumabas at mag-walking. So, ako medyo nakaidip ako ng konti kaya medyo, ayan, parang magayong itsura ko. Tatry nila kasi gusto nilang ma-feel yung lamig daw. So, we'll see kung kakayanin namin yung lamig. Ang lamig, sobra po. Parang pupuntang iglo lang. Yung magulang ko parang papuntang iglo. Mga Eskimo. Oh, yung kuya ko naman, hindi nag-hit-tech. Oh, di doble-doble ka ngayon. Sakit sa ilong, di ba?
Pailog
Tapos yung asawa ko naman, mukhang manipis lang pero naka-hit-tech kasi sa ilalim, kaya kaya. Angas.
Na tayo?
Gusto na? Okay na, na-feel na daw nila, uwi na daw.
Ang lamig na tapos. Tapos ka mag-ready ng sobrang tagal. Nagbihis kayo. Ang hirap pa naman suotin ng
Todo outfit
stockings.
pa naman si ate ko, tapos
Yes.
uuwi na tayo. Wala pang 5 minutes, Kuya Mark.
Sayang naman yung stockings na
In fairness guys, effective yung hit-tech na nasuot ko
Yung manipis na hit
Oh my God. Ano bang trip ng pamilya ko? Bakit lumalabas ng oras ng gabi?
If you're not subscribed to Team Payaman, why not? Coconut Pocknot. Subscribe now and ring the notification bell. Gago!